Thank you for following the news about the joy of citizens over the rain in Mecca. Video, and now we will give you the details.
محتجزين في الوادي الخمس لهذه اللحظات. الآن لاحظوا قرابة الخمس سيارات أو ست.
والله يا هو يقتلب يا عيال، ما شاء الله تبارك الله. شوف كيف، شوف لا اله الا الله.
A citizen named Abdul Qadir Al-Maili, who appeared in the circulating video, soaked while standing in the rain, said, "August rainstorm in Mecca. The rain has no time to calm down." He added, "What is this heavy rain? God willing, may God bless you." Neither London nor Paris are in August. The National Meteorological Center forecast indicates that moderate to heavy thunderstorms will continue, causing heavy rain, accompanied by active winds that raise dust and hail in parts of Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, and Mecca. Climate change in the Grand Mosque of Mecca. Saudi meteorology has predicted moderate to severe thunderstorms, resulting in heavy rain accompanied by active winds causing dust and hail in parts of Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, and Mecca in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thick clouds covered the sky of the Grand Mosque in Mecca in the last hours of Friday, confirming the occurrence of abnormal climate changes that contradict the nature of the summer season. Saudi meteorology confirmed the possibility of heavy rain reaching a heavy stage, which is expected to indicate the continuation of moderate to severe thunderstorms, accompanied by active winds causing dust and hail. Saudi meteorology indicated the presence of rain clouds in the sky in some parts of the highlands of the Medina and Najran regions. In some parts of the eastern region, the effects of active winds causing dust and hail will continue, and horizontal visibility is expected to be almost absent in Riyadh and Najran along the southern coastal road connecting Mecca to Jazan. According to Saudi meteorology, the maximum temperature is likely to remain high in the eastern region and Riyadh. Continuous rain for 10 hours in the Jazan region caused the collapse of a number of roads and the stranding of vehicles in some valleys, while some roads and houses were flooded in the governorates of Al-Tawal, Samda, and Abu Arish, and some villages. Akbar 24 monitored a number of accidents caused by the reefs and valleys that occurred after a long hiatus, as they caused the collapse and swept away the roads connecting 5 villages from the cities of Al-Maria, Al-Kardala Al-Ula, Al-Salah, Mahaliya, and Al-Ashwa, while some houses were flooded and vehicles were stranded, hindering the entry and exit of some houses. Until this news was published, the region was hit by moderate to heavy rain accompanied by lightning that caused power outages. After a period of silence that lasted for decades in some local valleys and reefs, heavy rain in the Jazan region for 2 consecutive days caused its roads to be reopened to flow to the main valleys. News 24 monitored some of the valleys that farmers use to irrigate their farms, while some of them reached the seashore. According to senior farmers, among these valleys are Wadi Makab, Wadi Al-Khams, and Wadi Az Aldin, most of which empty into large valleys that can be transported and localized to go to dams or to the sea. The National Meteorological Center warned today, Friday, of heavy rain in the Jazan region, accompanied by high-speed winds, lack of horizontal visibility, hail, torrential rain, lightning, and high waves in the city of Jazan and the governorates of Abu Arish, Wahad al-Masara, Al-Towal, Sabia, Samta, and Damid, Al-Dair, Al-Raith, Al-Arda, Al-Adabi, Thifa, Harub, Al-Darb, Bish, and Farison. The video shows large amounts of rainwater accumulating on the streets, reaching the shoulders of some people trying to cross through the water. Today, the National Meteorological Center warned of heavy rain in the Jazan region, accompanied by high-speed winds, lack of horizontal visibility, hail, heavy rain, lightning, and high waves in the city of Jazan and the governorates of Abu Arish, Wahad al-Masara, and Al-Towal, Samta, Damid, Al-Harith, Al-Dair, Al-Raith, Al-Arda, Al-Adabi, Thifa, Harub, Al-Darb, Bish, and Kshatriya.
Thumbs up.